Good day, everybody. Happy Thursday to everyone. So I have to show you something, our stuff for today, our breakfast plating. So first of all, I would like to say hi to this little girl, Carolina. So I make for you something. This is a present for you because you are my number one fan. So your mommy Ella messaged me, sent me a message and told me that you're my number one fan. So you are very happy in my videos, and I would like to say thank you to Mommy Ella from something in Ukraine, I think. So this is for you, Ella. Carolina. So I would like to show you this stuff that I offer for you. This is the one. This is for you, Carolina. See? It's very cute. So this is our plating for today, mga kaalamat. So thank you for patronizing my mini video, my short video, especially to you, Carolina. And thank you very much, Mami Ella. And more videos and more pictures to come. So this is for all for today, mga kaalamat. So please subscribe, like and share. And maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa aking mini videos. So maraming salamat. God bless everyone. See you next time.